in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello, young explorers. Today we're going to embark on a fascinating journey together. Have you ever been on a grand adventure, maybe in your dreams or through a storybook? Imagine searching for a hidden treasure chest on a mysterious island. The thrill of discovery is unmatched. You see a map with a big red X marking the spot. That X is your guide, your beacon. That X is like a thumbnail. It points you in the right direction and sparks your curiosity. It grabs your attention and makes you want to explore further. Just like how a good thumbnail makes you want to click on a video. Thumbnails are like those exciting X marks on a treasure map. They guide you to the treasure, which in this case is the video content. They are the first thing people see before watching a video. They are the gateway to the adventure that awaits. A good thumbnail is like a magical doorway, inviting viewers to enter the world you've created. It promises excitement and discovery. Imagine a bookshelf full of books. Each book is a different adventure waiting to be explored. Which book would you choose first? The one with the plain cover, or the one with the most interesting cover? Probably the one with the most interesting cover. The cover that catches your eye and makes you curious about the story inside. It's the same with videos. The thumbnail is the cover that draws you in. A bright, colorful, and interesting thumbnail makes people curious. It stands out and invites them to click. It makes them want to click and watch. It's the first step in the adventure of watching a new video. So, are you ready to learn the secrets of creating amazing thumbnails? Let's begin our adventure and unlock the power of the picture together. Before we start drawing and designing, we need a plan. Every great adventure starts with a map, and our thumbnail needs one too. This is where we brainstorm ideas. Let's say you made a video about training your pet parrot to ride a tiny bicycle. What are the most exciting parts of your video? Maybe it's the parrot wearing a tiny helmet or doing a funny trick. Or perhaps it's your happy face as you teach your feathered friend. Write down all your ideas, no matter how silly they seem. Remember, the best ideas often come from thinking outside the box.
Hey there! Don't be afraid to get creative. Think about what makes your video unique and fun. Jot down everything that comes to mind. You never know which idea will be the winner. Browser into a dedicated viewer.
Our picture is great, but it needs a title. A title that grabs attention and tells a story. Words on our thumbnail are like the names of the exciting places on our map. They guide viewers and spark curiosity. They tell people what they can expect on their adventure. It's like giving them a sneak peek into the fun and excitement ahead. We should use big, bold letters that are easy to read. Bold letters catch the eye and make the message clear. We can even use different colors to make them stand out. Bright and contrasting colors can make the words pop and be more engaging. Think about the title of your video. What message do you want to convey? How can you make it intriguing? Can you make it even more exciting for your thumbnail? A little creativity can go a long way in making it stand out. Instead of parrot on a bike, how about parrot learns to ride? This adds a sense of action and learning, or you won't believe what this parrot can do. This creates a sense of wonder and amazement. Make it catchy and fun. A catchy title can draw people in and make them want to click.
Oh, absolutely. Adding the right words can really make your thumbnail pop. It's all about making a strong first impression. Use colors that contrast well with your picture, and make sure the text is large enough to read at a glance. Let's make it awesome. A well-designed thumbnail can be the key to attracting viewers.
Section 6. The finishing touches. We're almost there. Now it's time to give our thumbnail those final touches, like polishing our treasure chest until it gleams. Make sure your image is the right size and that your text is centered and easy to read. Adjust the colors if you need to. Make them bright and vibrant. We want our thumbnail to shine like a beacon, attracting viewers from all corners of the internet.
Section 7. Testing. Our thumbnail is ready to go. But wait, a true explorer always double-checks their map before setting off. Let's do a test run. Look at your thumbnail from far away. Can you still see what it's about? Is it clear and eye-catching? Ask a friend or family member for their opinion. They might have some great ideas too. Section 8. Your thumbnail journey begins. Congratulations, young explorer. You've learned the secrets of creating amazing thumbnails, and now you're ready to share your creations with the world. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more thumbnails you create, the better you'll become. So go forth, be creative, and let your imagination soar. Who knows? Your next thumbnail might just lead to a treasure trove of views.